Okay, BMW E60 M5, and have a look at changing the differential oil this morning. So I've got 2 bottles of this, I've got the BMW stuff here, it's just 75 W140 fully synthetic gear oil. Now this stuff's got the limited slip additive in it, it's a bit like the old GM stuff you used to get for the Chevys, where you had the gear oil and then the, was it posi traction additive separate. This is all in one. So just make sure if you get some 75 140 and it isn't the BMW stuff, it's right for a limited slip diff. And you also want a couple of drain plugs. These have got the O-rings, come all as one. Some of the older diffs had a aluminium sealing ring, but I'm just going to chuck 2 of these in. So you want to get the diff all warmed up, get her up on 4 axle stands nice and level, and we'll get under and have a look. Okay, so we're under the differential now. There's the drain plug down the bottom, and then the fill plug, just make it out there towards the top. So we'll slacken the fill plug first, and we'll pull the drain plug out, let it drain off, put the drain plug back in with a new crush washer, and then we'll start filling her up. Alright guys, got the job finished now. Unfortunately I didn't get to film refilling the differential because, like an idiot, I spilt differential oil all over my sweatshirt. And if you guys have ever had that stuff on your clothes before, you'll know that there's no getting that smell out of your clothes, eh? But anyway, enough of me excuses. So yeah, when it comes to refilling the differential, you just want to pump that new fluid in the fill hole just until it reaches the bottom of the hole, starts dribbling out, and then stick the plug back in there. I use one of them plastic hand pumps that threads into the bottom of the bottle. You can see me using that over on my other video where I changed the S&G gear oil, and you can pick them pumps up at any auto parts store or Amazon, eBay, whatever, cheap as. Now if you were experiencing any differential noise before you did the oil change, like any grinding or knocking noise when you're making sharp turns, it could have been because the old fluid was, or didn't have the limited slip additive in it, or it did have but it's just worn out. It does deteriorate over time, it does happen. So yeah, once you've got the oil changed, it's a good idea to just find an old disused car park or a bit of space and drive the car around in a figure of 8 pattern, making real tight turns at full lock, and that should just get that new fluid right the way through your gears and your clutch pack, your limited slip diff, lube it up nicely. You shouldn't have any noise after that, should come right. Anyhow, if you found the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm MTIC Guy, thanks for watching.